Hello there, let's listen to our phrase. So let's have a look what happens here. Let's follow the little rectangle marks at the top of the blue section keyboard keys. F sharp, F, G sharp, F sharp, A sharp, G sharp, right? And C sharp. This is our phrase. But now let's have a look. What happens in the yellow section is that the first part from F sharp, we see in the yellow section the key E being pressed, which is this harmonization table. And we keep pressing it when we go with our melody until we get to this sound, or rather this sound, which is G sharp. And after G sharp, we change the yellow key from E to G, which activates G harmonization table. And then we press the last note, which is C sharp. Let's go and see how to do it in reality. Okay, so I'm gonna use two yellow key control, yellow section control keys, E and G. And here I'm gonna play the line. Okay, you see, I'm gonna press E and now melody. Now I'm gonna change it into G and press C sharp. And back to E, control. 3, 4, 4. 3, 4, 1. Now. One more time. Mistake. One more time. And one more time. All right. Okay, so let us see what happens when we activate the E harmonization table. I press E and I play the B major scale. Right, we can see that a third up is added to our melody voice. Alright, and now we remember from our last video that when we press G, what is activated is from A sharp to E, we got F sharp added, and from F to A we got B, which is tonic, added. Let us have a look. And we of course remember that this signature phrase works very well with that setup. Alright, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.